Are you looking for a yummy snack? Today we're going to make peppermint and wild orange Rice Krispie treats. Absolutely delicious. Hello, my name is Marcia Vogel with Ray of Hope Essentials, bringing you yet another way to use essential oils because they don't do you any good sitting on the shelf. First thing you're going to want to do is butter your pan because you don't want your Rice Krispie bars to stick to the pan. And once it's ready, you got to move fast. So have that buttered, set it aside. We're going to take one package of marshmallows, a 10-ounce package. You can use either big marshmallows or small marshmallows. Add 3 tablespoons of butter, and we're going to microwave it. We're going to start at a minute and then add by 30 seconds until it's melted. You can also melt this on the stove using a double boiler system. So we are melted and stirred, and it's all mixed up. Now I'm going to take peppermint essential oil. The doTERRA's is okay to use internally. It does have a supplement fact label. You want to make sure you're using a quality essential oil, and it should say for internal use on it. So I made a batch recently with 2 drops of each. I'm going to add 3 drops of peppermint because I like a little more flavor. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to add 5 drops of the wild orange. It also has the supplement fact label, so we're okay to use it internally. And I like the flavor of this. And I love the combination of peppermint and wild orange. And we're going to stir that in. Oh, the smells wafting up are absolutely amazing. And then we are going to add it to 6 cups of Rice Krispies. Then we're going to mix this all together until it's all covered. And then we're going to put it in our pan. So I find the easiest way to pat it into the pan, or to get it into the pan and press down, is to take a little bit of butter on your clean washed hands and put it on, and then the Rice Krispies don't stick to your hands, and you can just press it down into your pan, let it cool, and then cut them into squares or shapes. A fun thing to do at special holidays or seasons, you can add sprinkles in here to make it fun. You can also use silicone molds and have fun shaped Rice Krispies. We're just going to go with the normal squares. Let this cool and cut it, and I will return. And there you have a delicious batch of wonderful peppermint orange Rice Krispie treats for your family, your friends. These are going to a potluck, and they are absolutely delicious. If you found value in this, click like, hit subscribe. We're making more videos all the time on different ways you can use essential oils in your health and wellness journey because they don't do you any good sitting on the shelf. Thanks for joining me.